It's been a busy week. It's time for the Intense 5. I'm sure Chloe is wondering why her ex is even commenting on her pics. Then he goes and deletes it. Sir, you had your chance. Moving swiftly along. Yeah.
Sherilyn Russell's face when he was announced winner of Digital Rising Stars. Shocked doesn't begin to describe it.
Wow. So after being added to the Jamaican squad, Brianna Williams could pull out of the Jamaican team. We'll keep it posted.
Man dies after proposing to girlfriend underwater while on vacay.
Wow.
Really, really sad.
Wow. And finally holding the spot this week, the JUTC taxi drama. The country was basically at a standstill this week after bus drivers went on strike. We are too reactive when it comes on to certain things, especially road rage. Please, no more reprisals, guys. Let's find a way to just live good. Jeez.
Yep. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up